So why should you work with Smart Apartment Solutions? Stay tuned to find out. Hey Smarties, if you want to get smart solutions for your apartment community, click the link below. One of the first reasons I believe you should work with Smart Apartment Solutions is that we are a solutions-based company. We aren't just going to come in and give you a recommendation and then walk away. We're there, we work you through. We are where the rubber meets the road, and we're going to see you through till you get those results. How we help our clients get those results is a single focus approach, where we take one aspect of their business and truly focus and triage that part of their business, and we are where the rubber meets the road. We're not only going to write those recommendations for your business, but we're going to have a plan of how to implement them with your team so that they're evergreen. When we leave, those solutions can still be part of your culture. So with Smart Apartment Solutions, we liken ourselves to more of a boutique staffing company, whereas we listen to our customers' needs and then go recruit or develop that talent that's specific to the needs of that customer. So it really is, we're trying to customize that staff to best fit your needs. We fill needs for leasing, maintenance, and management positions. They are all fair housing trained, and we also have a quality control process, whereas typically on the first day of staffing, we have a seasoned person meet that person at the site so that they're orienting them to the site, so that's not something that the manager has to take on. We truly practice a philosophy of 10 minutes of orientation so our staff hits the ground running. One of the other services that we have here at Smart Apartment Solutions is our coaching and mentoring series, whereas we can come to your site and work on specific skills with your existing team. After completing an online assessment, we are determining a benchmark of where their skill sets are, and then we develop a customized plan to have either our leasing trainer, Megan Orser, or maintenance, which would be Dion Matthews or Desiree Williams, come to your site and work specifically on those skills that they need extra help with. That process may take a couple of months, a couple of weeks, but we're coming over a period of time and giving them a baseline and then additional steps to get them to the end goal of meeting your expectation. Consulting services is a very broad term, but we have several different smart solutions that we would be considered as a consulting option. With any of those consulting options, we're going to come in and analyze your business, first of all, exceeding your expectations and bringing those practices up to performing to a level of which is acceptable to you. Because that could be a broad array of things that we could do, it really is a customized solution for every property, every community, every challenge that you could be experiencing. With over 70 years of combined experience, be it IT, be it Yardi, be it leasing, we really do have subject matter experts that can come in and customize that solution for your team. So ultimately what we want to do is take what your site team does well and help them do business smarter. For information about all of our smart services for your apartment community, please click the link below. Until then, get smart with Smart Apartment Solutions.